I was invited to do a 2-day workshop on mental health at Sagicor, and what was interesting is that Sagicor wanted to use drama to explore mental health. It was absolutely amazing on day one. Of course, persons came in a bit apprehensive, but as the activities got underway, as you can see, persons were fully engaged in the activities. They were laughing, they were moving around, they were doing different things that they would not normally do. At the end of each activity, I would have taken them through a series of discussion. We had question and answers and just discussed the various activities and how they would have applied to persons in their own personal lives. And so by the middle or the end, persons were just up and about, moving around. Everybody was fully engaged in the activities, that we were doing. They were laughing, they took off their shoes, they were on the ground, they were just out of their comfort zone, and I thought that was absolutely amazing. But if you think day one was exciting, I want us to also take a look at some of the things that came out of day two, because day two was even more exciting.
Getting called to your boss's office. Getting called to the boss's office?
Yes, get caught.
So everybody's relaxed. Start a small conversation. 3, 2, 1.
So as you can see, day two was indeed a belly full laughter kind of fun activity day. As they worked through the different tasks, they were able to engage each other, interact with each other, and they were never afraid. Even the persons who were introverted, you would never know that they were the introverted ones, because they gave it their all. Some persons were not afraid to go on the ground as they worked through the activities. They interacted with each other, they laughed, they were able to see each other in a different light. And that's what's important about the activity, and that's what drama does for the mental health. It forces them to see each other differently and just pay attention to the different things that can happen to them and their own state of mind. And they thoroughly enjoyed the activity. And as we guided them through, we were able to have the different discussions as well about the activities and applying these activities there to their real life situation. And so while I did not get any feedback from the day two participants, I got some feedback from day one participants. So
I really enjoyed the workshop. It was something different. This is not, something that we would normally do here. So it was really exciting. Took us out of our shell, we got moving, and then on top of that, we were able to dive into some issues relating to our mental health and how to work around it.
And it was absolutely amazing. I learned a lot, and I believe that I will be using these techniques in helping me with my emotional issues.
The workshop so far is great. I'm learning a lot. I see myself doing this and bringing it to my team, because it's great for team engagement. So it's like it's a different perspective on this. So I love what it is. I'm happy I came. My curiosity has been satisfied.
It was a nice change from the normal training sessions that we would have. So yeah, I would do something like this again.
Share the same sentiment as other team members. Nonetheless, soundscape and the as a psychogeographic things. Those are new terms to me, so it was educational and interactive.
A session that created a safe space in terms that you can release, you're more in tune with your emotions, and you can best interconnect or link it to the workspace in terms of navigating through not just your emotion but other people's emotions.
For me, as it relates to mental health, I am feeling refreshed.
I'm inspired. It's quite great. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
Drama is a powerful tool to explore mental health. As an art form that privileges the body as text, participants get the opportunity to focus solely on themselves. Drama offers a safe space for individuals to explore and process their emotions. Participants can delve into complex feelings and experiences, leading to a greater understanding and regulation of their own emotional states. Drama encourages teamwork and collaboration, fostering a sense of belonging and community. Through group activities and performances, participants build meaningful connections and friendships, reducing feelings of isolation and loneliness.